Hi, my name is Tori. I am our lead client manager here with Get Organized, and I just wanted to share a little bit about my own experience whenever I had a 2-hour in-home consultation. It was a little over 7 years ago when I first started with the company. At the time, my daughter was 4, and so I would say back then my biggest frustration was the playroom closet, and then I have a guest closet in a hallway that kind of serves as a multi-purpose space. So games, crafts, linens, and then even extra china that was given to me from family. So I was very frustrated finding a way for that one closet to serve all of those purposes, but I did not have any other space, to put those items in. So, we just kind of walked around. We opened the drawers and cabinets, and just having an outside perspective from someone who doesn't live in this home, I think was huge for me. I realized I was not maximizing my spaces at all. And then I think probably the biggest part that I appreciated were the product recommendations of different products I could implement in those spaces to maximize the space. To really use the closet, especially to its fullest potential. So I think everyone should have a consultation with a professional organizer, something about having that outside perspective. And then I always say, I think our organizers' brains are wired a little bit differently. They just can see things in a different way that maybe you and I can't see in our own spaces. So I am not saying in the next home, we need to do this different or that different. I truly think having a consultation and, getting recommendations of better ways to organize my spaces, I've made it work, for me and my family. And so I just wanted to share a little bit about that. So thank you. Bye.